Good afternoon. Guess what we did this morning? We went and looked at a school bus. Yes, a schoolie. So check this out. Darn good. Skoolie. It's a Bluebird 3800 T44E. It's got the Power Stroke engine in it. There you go. Oh yeah. Sweet. She's a Bluebird, a Bluebird. Got pretty good tires on them. The front ones are new, and these in the back probably still have a good year on them, at least. There's the emergency exit there. It's got 2 emergency exits going out on the roof. Here's the back. Okay, with a big emergency door. She's got lots of windows in her. 1, 2, 8 windows across here, plus the driver window. Very nice. Already got the stop sign off. Sweet.
I'm pretty sure it's 50.
50-gallon tank.
Wow.
You get some mileage with that.
Yes.
I just pull the handle to make it close on no buttons or nothing.
And you kind of got to give it a shove to get it to, there you go.
Oh, yeah, they got it adjusted.
That
It's
way,
got a little lock right
yes.
there.
Yeah.
A little pin lock, then you manage that. Okay. Cool.
And what's the oil pressure like?
The amperage is 14 amps being put out, and oil pressure is almost 50. That's excellent.
Everything's
The water temperature is coming up like it's supposed to. Of course, transmission, it's got a gauge on it for the transmission temperature too. This is a Bluebird.
Yes.
What was it built like? Isn't there a Bluebird like in Iowa somewhere?
Well, there's a Bluebird manufacturer in Tulsa. This
really?
says, well, Ross, I guess it was bought from Ross Transportation in Oklahoma City, right there in front of you.
Up at the top, honey.
Oh, okay. Ross Transportation. Cool. Good deal. Let's take a ride. It's automatic too, isn't it?
Yes.
See everything that's right here.
But there is no park.
You put it in neutral?
You put it in neutral and set the brake.
Okay, that's what the way you had it set up, so that's good. It eased in the gears a little bit. Cool. See if this thing's got a torque on my Cummins. It's good. I'm gonna tap the brakes so I can kind of get used to it. Oh yeah, brakes are good. Brakes are good. Love these mirrors, man. You see all around us.
Yes, you can.
That's awesome. And you drove it back yourself?
My son and I did.
Sweet.
Didn't have any problem with it.
Yeah. So I told him I had never driven anything bigger than a minivan before I got this, and I got in it and drove it home from where we picked it up.
Cool.
spin.
What do you think, honey? You want a schoolie now?
Yeah. My first experience with a schoolie, other than riding on one when I was a kid. Is it like a 4-speed, 5-speed, 6-speed?
That I don't know.
It's something you get. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3. It looks like it's just maybe a 3-speed with overdrive. I'm not sure. Which way you want to go? Left, right, or left?
Let's go left.
Left, okay.
So far, so good?
Nice and smooth. Good tight steering. Everything's been well maintained.
It was a technology school bus.
Technology Institute or something like
Yeah.
technical school.
We can go on down 2 or 3 miles. We go to church down here. If I don't miss the turn off, we can turn around in the church parking lot.
It's on the left or the right?
It's on the right.
All right, okay. Plenty of power.
And it drives great?
Yeah, it drives good.
Okay, cool. Drives like a school bus.
Drive like
Rides like one too.
Yes, it does. Especially with nothing in it.
right up there. It's 2200 RPMs at 55. Pretty good. That makes it pretty good, decent kill mileage.
Oh.
Man, this is a great school bus. I think if you're going to get a bus, this is not a bad one to get. It's got the right size. The underneath is really good. A little bit of rust on the chassis, but you're going to have it. It's a 99? And it's a Bluebird. I got crawled underneath this thing. All the hoses and stuff are good. I mean, there's no leaks. I can see anything leaking out. You're going to have the normal stuff. Truck ran great. Transmission shifted good. I think it's a winner if it's your decision. But if I were going to buy a bus and want to do one, this is what I would buy this bus. So
Yeah.
that's all I can tell you, man.
Bluebird's supposed to be one of the best.
It's one of the best. And a lot of stuff here has been well maintained. That's the thing I noticed. And it's minimal rust underneath. Chassis got a little bit of chassis rust, but it's out in the water and the weather. But the floorboard has no rust. I looked at the floorboard, and that's a critical part on these things. What everybody's telling me is the floorboard. And the outside body's good. There's a few little things, you know, but you're going to have those little things, and they're very minor. There's like a loose screw on the mirror out there, and it's pulling through on the fiberglass hood. That's an easy fix with some washers and whatnot. Stuff, research supply bottle, you need a new bottle. And that's easy to get to for the cooling system, the radiator overflow. That bottle's got a crack in it, but you can get one of those. That's not a problem. And that's all I really seen. Everything else just jam up.
No, the bus is not for us. We are very happy in our humble little abode on wheels. Yes. But if I were going to get this bus and do it, even being a woman, because most of the major stuff is done, and I would put in a bed. You could go to IKEA and outfit this thing completely. I made a list, and if I were going to do this with limited skills, and there are a lot of women that have limited skills, sorry, I would go to IKEA. I would buy tables and chairs and a kitchen counter with cabinets, a wardrobe, folding chairs, and I would get the day bed. That way you could use it as a sofa during the day and a bed at night. Use as many things as possible from your own house. So if you have a twin bed, use that twin bed. If you have a small wardrobe, use that small wardrobe. folding chairs, anything, rugs, whatever you have, just put it in there. You are going to have to secure everything to the floor and to the wall, but that's easy. Just get you some L brackets. I mean, most women know how to use a drill, I hope, and make it happen. I picked out a few things from IKEA, and I mean, you could really buy this bus, because the bus is like $5,700, okay? They've taken out most of the seating, and you could get somebody to help you take the rest of those out. I wouldn't even equip it with water to start with. I would wait, because they have van builds and skoolie builds out west. So I would wait till I got out there and got me some help. She already has an inverter in it that is pretty darn big, because they were going to put solar on the roof, but she fell sick, and so now she needs to get rid of the bus. But as I was saying, so you buy the bus for $5,700, then you put another $1,000 into it. There, $7,000 right off the top. You've got a house to live in on wheels. Bam, done. I would get some tent and tent out some of the windows. Okay, I would you know, I mean, you could do this, no problem. And then you just ride along, and hey, you got your house. There you go. I would do it in a heartbeat if it was just me. I would. Along with having the windows tinted, I would block off a section. You know, you could use a screen or a curtain, but put your composting toilet in there. And because you don't have water yet, and you know, you could use they have these 6-gallon containers of water. Put you a sink in there, and use a bucket underneath to catch the water when you wash dishes. I mean, it's not hard. It is very doable. And for showers, I would get a membership to a gym, $20 a month, okay? And go take my showers there. Yeah, it's workable, folks. It's very workable. If you want to do it, you can make it happen. Let's see if we can help Miss Donna sell this bus. Alrighty? This is what she told me. Okay. It's a 1999 T444E V8 turbo diesel Bluebird bus. Okay? It has an Allison transmission. It's 28 foot overall length. It's 19 foot from behind the driver's seat to the emergency door. Has 8 windows on each side, plus the door for the plus the door. You better hush. That's Lily barking. Plus the driver's window. It has 119,000 miles on it. In the last 6 months, she has had the oil changed, new wipers, an overall checkup to make sure everything works, had the inverter professionally installed, and 2 new tires on the front. The other tires will probably last you a good year. Miss Donna is with Skoolie Nation. It's posted there, and you will see that school bus. I promise you. But to me, it's a pretty good looking deal. Now, our friend, it wasn't what he was looking for. But if I were alone, like I said before, I would do this in a heartbeat. So, good luck, Miss Donna. Bye. Y'all give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends. Share. Bye.